Hey guys, I need 2 omelets for table 17, please.
2 omelets? Perfect! On this week of Time to Die, DIY that is, do it yourself! We're gonna teach you how to build an omelet! That's right! And you know the first rule, number 1, take your shirt off! Take your shirt off! Woo! Let's get to work! Let's get to work! When building an omelet, the first step is becoming one with your egg. Next step, you gotta trap the heat in. You need the freshest ingredients. Teamwork. It's teamwork. It's always teamwork. It's teamwork. Next up. Another key. You gotta get a good flip. You gotta get in there and really flip it. Flip it. The key to a fluffy omelet is breathing. You gotta have spices! Just keep adding eggs to it! As many as possible! 4 at once!